If you want to get always on the display on your Samsung Galaxy A17, then we can install an app that allows us to get AOD. So of course we want to open the Play Store, and in this case we need to search for such an app. So you can, for example, write always on display or AOD in order to try to find an app. In my case, I'm gonna use a specific app, Movies Edge more precisely, that has always on display. So let's install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, how to customize always on display, and how it works, more or less. And of course, if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you, feel free to try anything else. So once it is installed, we're gonna open the app, tap on Draw Over Apps, and let's wait for the next screen to appear. And then here we need to find Movies Edge and turn it on over here. Let's go back. And there we go. Now here at the bottom we can switch to AOD. And here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different AODs that we can use. And some of them are premium, so you won't be able to use them unless you actually pay for them. But there are many different free options as well. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. In some cases you can also edit the AOD, and if you try to change the style, for example, etc., sometimes they are premium options, so unfortunately you won't be able to do so. But let's say I'm gonna actually apply this AOD over here, so press apply, and that should be it. Let's actually close this. In addition to that, we can go to settings, and over here we have always on a display. We can make sure that it is enabled here. We can also choose when always on display should be shown. So we can choose always while charging or on music. We can adjust the brightness. We have the AOD timeout, so let's say I'm gonna set it to 10 seconds. And so on and so forth. And we can choose how we want to close always on display. And by default, we have this option set to double tap, but I think single tap is actually better. So I'm gonna use this one. And of course, feel free to try more options over here. So now let's close, let's turn off the phone. And as you can see, we have our always on display, and we can tap once in order to go to the lock screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.